Ever wondered why humans eat? Is it just to avoid becoming hangry monsters? Well, that's part of it, but there's more to the story. Let's break it down. Nutritional needs. Food provides essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, which are necessary for energy, growth, and maintaining bodily functions. A person eats breakfast before work, converting food into energy to stay alert and active throughout the day. Growth and repair. Proteins and other nutrients are crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting growth and maintaining healthy skin, muscles, and organs. Whether it's growing taller or fixing sore muscles, food is the ultimate body mechanic. Immunity support. Vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, D, and zinc, support the immune system to protect against illness. Someone consumes fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins to strengthen their immune system and avoid getting sick. Because dodging germs all day isn't exactly practical. Psychological and social reasons. Eating is often linked to social interactions, celebrations, and cultural practices. It also provides comfort and emotional satisfaction. Food brings people together and sometimes starts friendly wars over the last slice. Pleasure and enjoyment. Food stimulates the senses through taste, smell, and texture, contributing to the enjoyment and pleasure of eating. Let's be honest, food is delicious, and sometimes you just want to do the happy dance. Emotional comfort. A person eats their favorite comfort food to feel better after a tough day, highlighting the emotional satisfaction food provides, because sometimes life's problems need solutions, and sometimes they just need ice cream. So next time you're eating, remember, it's not just about staying alive, it's about energy, growth, immunity, bonding, comfort, and pure joy. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos.